Hey everyone, have you ever opened your Tradingview chart and found it completely upside down? It can be confusing and really disrupt our analysis. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to fix an upside down chart so price action is displayed correctly. Let's go through some easy steps to flip the chart back to normal and keep Tradingview accurate and clear. A Tradingview chart is a powerful, interactive, browser-based tool we use to visualize financial market data like price, volume, and volatility. These charts let us customize layouts, apply different indicators and trend lines, and directly manage trades. Charts in Tradingview are our main visual tool for technical analysis, letting us monitor, analyze, and interpret market moves in real time. They show price action over time, help us spot trends, patterns, key levels, and let us use indicators to make informed trading decisions. Now, let's fix the upside down chart in Tradingview. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. Once on the main page, log into your account. After logging in, go to the charts. To find charts, go to Products at the top of the page. Under Products, you'll see Supercharged. Click Supercharge. Now we're in the main chart of your market. If there's a problem with the chart, if it's flipped on the right or left, or upside down, the first step is to reset the chart. Right-click on the chart and Reset Chart. This puts the chart back in its original position. Another way to fix the chart is in the settings. Right-click and select Configure to open settings. Right-click on the chart, scroll down, and click Settings. In Settings, you'll see Symbol Status, Line, Scales, Canvas, Trading, Alerts, and Events. Go to Scales to check the options. To adjust the chart position, change the scales placement. You can choose left, right, or auto. Set the chart position here. After that, click Configuring and then OK. There's also a quick way to flip the chart using the keyboard. Find the Alt and the I keys and press them together. The chart flips. Press the keys again to flip it back. That's how we fix an upside-down chart in Tradingview. With just a few steps, the charts are back to normal and ready for analysis.